Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis. Aujourd'hui, je veux vous parler des vins et de la nourriture. Today I want to tell you about wine and food. Wine and food. So something you need to know, there are many different types of food in France. France is a small country, but there are many specialty and many different types of food. And for each food, there can be a different type of wine. So what you need to look at is where the wine comes from, what's the local specialty, and how do they use it together with the food. So something that I just explained is for the champagne used to be something that the Emperor of Russia would drink. So he would drink this one, which is the brand of the Emperor of Russia. He would drink this one, Veuve Clicquot, which is also the brand of the Emperor of Russia. Okay, and there's this one also, Ruinart. This one I'm not sure if it's how old it is. Anyway, all these, the Emperor of Russia, how they would drink it? They would drink this champagne usually for the dessert after the lunch. So they eat. And then at the dessert, they eat some chocolate cake or they eat something sweet. And together, they will drink some champagne. Because the champagne, usually it's very dry. So you have something dry together with something sweet. So the taste will be much better. If you just drink champagne like this, you will feel, it's very dry. Maybe you like it, but most likely you will be like, oh, I don't like it, it's too dry. But if you take something sweet, and some dessert with it, and then you drink the champagne, you really like it, the taste is not going to be the same. And it is the same for red wine. You have some wine, if you just drink it like this, the taste is not going to be good. But if you take some strong meat with it, and you take some barbecue meat, nice meat, quality meat, and then you take the wine together with it, then the wine will change taste. It's not going to be so strong. The taste will be really much better. It will be a different taste. In Reims, that is la capitale de la Champagne, in Reims, that's a city in French, you have one specialty that's called les biscuits roses. Les biscuits, I will show you the biscuits roses. They are some kind of pink biscuits, and they are very sweet. Pink biscuits. So together with these pink biscuits, you can take this champagne. So the champagne is dry and the biscuit is sweet. And the pink biscuits is also the same color as the champagne. That's why they developed this pink champagne. Another thing about champagne, you need to drink it fresh. It's very important to drink it fresh. If you drink it warm, it's not going to be good. You need to put it in the fridge before. So how was it? Because these champagnes that are very old, you can see, it's 1743, 1770. So it's 1743, 1780, it's very old. How did they do it? At the time, the Emperor of Russia and the King of France, they start to have their chef. The chef will prepare some pastry for them, will prepare some cake. And at the same time, they start to have some ice. So that was a huge luxury because you didn't have any fridge at the time. So what they would do is they would have glacier. The glacier is the hole in the ground, and they will put some big piece of ice inside. And in summertime, when it's hot outside, they're just enjoying a cake and drinking the champagne that has been very fresh, very cold, because they will have the ice around the bottle. So the bottle will be very fresh. And this way they can really enjoy. So you need to know how to drink the wine. If you come and you drink the champagne, it's hot, it's not going to be very good. So know this. Each wine will be suitable with some dish, and also with some wine have to be drinked cold, some wine have to be drink hot. What you need to look at is where the wine comes from. For instance, you can go to Bordeaux and you can see what's the typical food of Bordeaux and what kind of food people drink, eat the food together with this wine. Or you go with the Indre-et-Loire and you see, oh, this is the vin de Saumur, the white wine. Or you take it together with the fish. There is the local fish from the river. And then the taste of the fish together with this wine, it will really make something else. Sometimes with the cheese, sometimes with the chocolate, the taste will change. And this is something that you need to do if you come to France, or even you can try eat something, then drink the wine after, and you will see the taste will change. Merci, au revoir.